Do you pick fresh tomatoes for your lunch? Living in cities like Sydney, we don't often get that chance. So imagine us growing food together in underutilized spaces, vacant lots, or endless rows of grass along our footpaths. These grassed verges can be a third of green open space in our cities. So what if we would grow food on footpaths and have veggies in verges? Verge gardens keep us healthy. They connect us to community and cool our climate. Research confirms these benefits as well as risks and barriers. One of the barriers are council policies. I found that these vary greatly across Greater Sydney. Some councils, like Randwick, are very supportive. Yes, please go ahead and make our city more sustainable. Grow food on footpaths. Just let us know and you can go ahead. Others, like Burwood, have no policy on this. And some councils, Mosman for example, have a different attitude. What? Something else than grass on our verges? If you want to do that, you have to make sure there's no risk. It looks beautiful and pay us $50 so we can process your application. The problem is that we don't know how these different approaches impact footpath food gardening. To answer this question, I am conducting comparative case study research. My focus are the relationships between council and the people who garden, who pick the fruits, and who complain about it. Understanding these micropolitics will help councils devise better policies and enable us to grow food on footpaths successfully. Living then in healthy and sustainable cities, even you can pick your tomatoes just outside your doorstep.